Well,
my dad is talking on the phone, but hello everybody. CJ Compton here at State Street. This is in Ann Arbor, Michigan, but my other video isn't. Is also in Ann Arbor. It's just on the north side of Ann Arbor. This is on the, I believe I would say the west side. This train is moving now. I'm going to have to charge my cell phone after. This train is moving now. Here it comes. Roll it. This traffic light will not be changing except the left turn. Here it comes. Roll it. Oh no. You can go! Get a left turn, green arrow. Oh no! Are the bells loaded? Oh.
they are loud.
And Daddy, like I told you, what's the light?
Mechanical bells?
Daddy, what's the traffic light? Red's a no.
Yeah.
All together a no. That's why I said you can go. The guy that was in the turn lane sitting there on a green arrow. Are the cars able to go or no?
Well,
I'm going straight or
they
no?
go around the golf course. They might.
Hello. Is this funny? Hello.
Wow, we caught an Ann Arbor Railroad today. Yeah.
There's another one too. Possibly later. I'm not sure.
Well, we're not sure, but at least we caught this one.
Is the train switching over or no?
So,
It is? Is it going over to the right or is it?
to the left.
Well then no, it's on the main track then.
It's on the main track. It's on the main track this time. Quite long, isn't it? For Ann Arbor Railroad.
It's a grain train this time too.
Yeah.
This guy behind me is letting me video. And look,
Very nice.
when the crossing went off, that walking man or whatever, I'm gonna go across the tracks, it had like 3 seconds of countdown.
Wow.
And then it hit 0, now it's the hand now. Well, tell the folks about our Monday extravaganza.
Well, it's an unusual Monday extravaganza, folks. Doesn't happen that often, but here it is.
coming to you
It's a rarity.
from Ann Arbor, Michigan.
From Ann Arbor, Michigan. Stetson Road.
Well, State Street.
And State Street.
We should
I
just,
like both of them, isn't it?
we should just say it's on the corner.
On the corner of State and Stetson. How about that?
So that might have been why you said it took forever last time.
Because he stopped.
That might have been what happened last time.
That might have been what happened last time. You know, do we know why he stopped?
I think they get the clearance into Osmer.
Oh, is that what he's waiting on?
Well, they had to get the clearance back here so they can get on the GLC after.
Ah, yeah. A lot of grain haulers, huh?
How many cars behind me going, continuing straight?
Over 12 out of both.
Isn't it safer or not really?
I don't know.
Or do you think they're about the same?
I think it's about the same.
But look at the difference between the overhead lights and the main lights.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Are those LEDs or incandescents? It's like they're incandescents.
The top ones are 12 by 20 inch or 12 by 24 inch
Yeah.
or whatever. I'm Harman faded LEDs,
Oh, Harmon. Yeah.
and the main lights are incandescents. Are the cars able to going straight or no?
I know. I'm after here's quite a lineup of cars on the other side.
Are you
Might not be able to get back across till about 7 o'clock tonight.
very surprised it's a green arrow right now?
Yeah, I'm very surprised. Yeah.
It's only like this if there's a train.
Right.
This is mile marker 44. See, he's passing 44. I believe Burton Drive is mile marker 50. I'm not sure.
Oh,
I think it's 50, so that's 6 miles.
right. This is one long train. That's all I'm gonna say. Wow. Oh, here comes the ambulance. Why?
And you have a guy on a bicycle behind you, too.
You know what? That's not all I have. I have a woman behind me with the cart.
Oh, look at it on the other side.
Nice. Look at that. You go Ann Arbor Railroad.
Well, the yellow arrow,
Yellow arrow.
red arrow,
Red arrow.
I mean red light, whatever, no arrow. I am going to charge my cell phone now. That train starts out in Toledo, Ohio at the Ottawa Yard. It's heading north. I'm to where I am right now, although just north of Ann Arbor, where it terminates at the Osmer Yard. I suppose I will get a video with myself or just me, or should I say with me going across these tracks on this pedestrian. My first ever Ann Arbor Railroad. I'm trained at this one crossing here. I mean at this location. We have 2 more days left of the year. All on this Monday, December 30th of 2024 from CJ Compton on YouTube. I can hardly talk right now because of that train horn. Well, anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope y'all enjoyed, and that is it.